When installing the EcoFast water filter for the first time, you must ensure that the protective bubble bag is removed before screwing the filter body into the filter cap. Grip the textured rim of the grey filter cap. If the filter has not been used recently, you should first twist the cap to the V vent position and open the user faucet to release pressure in the filter. Then twist to the unlock position. The water supply is now automatically turned off. Pull down to disengage the filter. Take the filter housing to the sink as it is still full of water. Unscrew the filter cap to remove the filter body. And empty the water into the sink. Hold the filter cap and unscrew the filter cartridge. Only use genuine Doulton replacement cartridges to ensure optimum filter performance. Remove the protective bubble bag and filter cartridge installation instructions, which should be referred to for conditioning this new cartridge. Ensure the O-ring is on the threaded mount on the cartridge and screw the thread into the grey filter cap until washer resistance is felt. Screw the filter body into the filter cap until a positive stop is felt. Align the arrows to the unlock position and push the assembled filter firmly into the head until it clicks into position. Twist the filter cap, ensuring that the arrows are aligned to the locked position. This automatically reconnects the water supply, making the filter ready for use again.